Enjoy the magic of this video. You may have seen the tilde trick in many tutorials. Hold tilde key down and draw, but there's a hidden twist inside the trick that no one talks about. I will share it without delay. Try it out and tell me in the comments, what shape did you use to play with this feature? I started with a star, but later you'll see how even a simple rectangle can create a stunning background. Let's dive into it.
Thank you all.